GYEON Cure, a very durable silica-based spray sealant that can be used on coated and non-coated cars. It will boost gloss and leave your surface slick and hydrophobic. Let's give it a test. When using this product, bear in mind not to overuse it. 1 or 2 spritzes of product in your microfiber towel will be enough to do a pretty large panel. Try to flip your microfiber towel often or use a secondary one. We do not recommend to spray this product directly on a dry panel. This can cause streaking because of the high concentration of the product. If you have washed and rinsed your car, you can use this product on a wet panel. Spray it on and dry it with your silk dryer. After that, you will get instant slickness and hydrophobicity. One advice I can give you with Cure if you want to avoid streaking, dilute it one-on-one with the mineralized water, and then you can use it more liberally on your microfiber without having any streaks. Good luck.